Welcome to Heaven's Kitchen, where we'll be preparing a mouth-watering dish of Cajun chicken with pasta. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with this delightful combination of flavors. So, let's get started. Our first step is to prepare the Cajun seasoning. In a small bowl, combine paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, basil, oregano, salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. Mix them well to create a fragrant and spicy blend of seasonings. You'll find the ingredients in the description box below. Take 4 dried chicken breasts and, using your hands, generously coat both sides of the chicken with half of the Cajun seasoning mixture. Make sure each breast is thoroughly covered with the aromatic blend. Set the seasoned chicken aside, allowing it to marinate and absorb those incredible flavors. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare our penne pasta according to the instructions on the packet. Boil the pasta until it reaches the desired tenderness. Once cooked, drain the pasta and set it aside. Now, it's time to cook the chicken. Heat a large cast iron pan over medium heat and add a generous amount of butter. Once the butter melts and sizzles, carefully place the seasoned chicken breasts in the pan. Cook each side for approximately 10 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and nicely browned. Once the chicken is perfectly cooked, remove it from the pan and set it aside. In the same skillet, add a drizzle of oil to keep those amazing flavors going. Now, let's start preparing our vegetable medley. Begin by adding julienne diced onions to the pan. Sauté them until they turn translucent and release their enticing aroma. Add the green bell pepper, followed by the red bell pepper sliced into strips, and the diced mushrooms. Stir these vibrant vegetables together over medium heat for about 3 minutes, allowing them to soften and develop their flavors. Now, let's enhance the savory goodness by adding the other half of our Cajun seasoning mixture to the pan. Ensure that every ingredient is coated with that irresistible blend of spices. Give everything a good mix, ensuring the flavors meld together harmoniously. It's time to add the star of our creamy sauce, heavy cooking cream. This luxurious ingredient will enrich our dish with a luscious texture and a velvety mouthfeel. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add the cooked penne pasta to the pan, gently folding it into the creamy mixture. This will allow the pasta to absorb the flavors of the Cajun seasoning and the aromatic vegetables. Now, it's time to reunite our beautifully cooked chicken with the pasta and vegetables. Using a sharp knife, slice the chicken breasts into 1-inch strips. Place these succulent strips over the pasta and vegetables, arranging them with care. And there you have it, a sensational Cajun chicken with pasta. This delightful dish showcases perfectly cooked chicken, bathed in a creamy Cajun-infused sauce, alongside a medley of colorful vegetables and tender penne pasta. If you enjoyed this Cajun chicken with pasta recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!